thick wheel spacers do I need? Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completely within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.